How to add your products and services on Yardbook. Once on your Yardbook dashboard, I want you to go over to the top right hand corner. From there, you could select Quick Add, and you are going to select Product/Service, and it is going to carry you to this page. And here you'll be able to create whichever product you'd like to offer or service. So for example, I'll just type in lawn care. After doing that, from there you can select whether it is a service or a product, and you're going to select the price that you'd like to charge. So let's say for example $120, and you can also add in the optional unit measurement, and you can add in a description if you want. Then from there you can also add in post job instructions for customers, and you could select advanced options, and you could also color code it. Once you're finished, you'll tap on save. So let me change this right here. So I'll just type in lawn care test. Then we're just going to tap on save. And you can see right there that I've now created a new service. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.